The future has arrived. Introducing Nubia, the world's first smartwatch with a flexible display. Powerful, functional, and customizable, Nubia is matching your modern lifestyle, giving you a cool and stylish look for different scenarios. The ultra-long curved display wraps around your wrist seamlessly, making it ergonomic and comfortable to wear, while enhancing your visual experience. So you can enjoy a better overview of all your information, allowing you more interactions and less scrolling. You can easily switch between themes for the perfect fit of any situation. And with our innovative app, you can even create your own styles from any pictures or graphics. Now you can track your health data 24/7, easily check your heart rate, steps, distance, calorie intake, or sleep cycles. Plan your workouts, set up goals, and control your achievements. The watch is designed extremely user-friendly. No need to operate complicated menus. Simply check your information at a glance. Nubia also assists you in your personal life or at work and helps to boost your efficiency. You can stay connected through the app, receive notifications, or simply answer calls through Bluetooth. And that's not all. The watch includes a lot of additional features, such as screen wake on wrist raise, a compass, and a customizable marquee mode. Straps will be available in different materials and sizes. It's our vision to bring a revolutionary product to the market that elevates the way we live. Nubia is innovative, versatile, and powerful. The perfect fit for your wrist. So don't wait for the future and get your Nubia watch now.
Introducing the PhonePAD by Anywhere. The PhonePAD is the world's first portable monitor that can turn your phone into an iPad or Android tablet. PhonePAD is compatible with just about any smartphone, including all iOS and Android devices, from manufacturers such as Samsung, Google, HTC, and more. With the 15.6-inch thin bezel, full HD touchscreen, you can watch videos and work with a bigger multi-touch screen. With PhonePAD, there's no need to sync between devices. Use all files and apps already stored on your phone. So you can use your PhonePAD to turn your phone into a powerful workstation or the ultimate gaming device. And with zero latency technology, you can play any mobile games on a large touchscreen and get a leg up over the competition. And never get interrupted by a low battery warning while gaming, since the PhonePAD charges your phone while you're using it. Work, write, create, and play all from a familiar tablet-like interface. The PhonePAD helps you get the most out of your smartphone. PhonePAD by Anywhere. Your phone can do more. We believe that in the future, smartphones will be the one and only brain for all your smart devices. We built 2 great products with your support, and we are excited to come back here and launch our new product, PhonePAD, so we can share it with you first. So join the revolution and make your phone do more.
Meet Olo. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. Olo is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, Olo uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. Olo works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from Olo's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. Olo can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and Olo does the rest. Olo uses a special photopolymeric resin. Olo prints are designed by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. Olo can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After Olo prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. Olo has different resins for different jobs. Olo can print hard objects and flexible ones. Olo even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. Olo's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. Olo resins are available in a variety of colors and are priced competitively with other common 3D printing materials. Anyone can use Olo. All you need is creativity. With Olo, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.
When it came to Olo, we wanted to revolutionize 3D printing.
We wanted to design a 3D printer that's affordable and easy to use.
Olo will cost just $99.
Because we want everyone to have one.
Spread the word. Help us bring Olo to everyone.
Whether it's a laptop or a desktop, a Windows or a MacBook, don't you want to unlock the touch features on all your computer screens? Introducing Hello X2, which transforms any screen into a touchscreen. It comes in one size and suits screens from 10 to 27 inches and up to 1.1 inches in thickness. You can sweep your fingers to flick through your photos even with gloves on. Draw right on the screen using a pencil. Tap to highlight, mark up, or even add annotations to a document. Deliver interactive presentations in meetings with Hello X2. Scroll away on your favorite website. Get touch gestures while you're cooking or wherever you need them. Hello X2 brings touch to your screens by projecting an invisible laser field over them, hence the input is extraordinarily accurate and responsive. Pinch, roll, paint, and have fun. It is extremely easy to attach and detach. Plug the USB connector into the computer and it takes just 1 minute to set up. You now have touch. Enjoy an unbeatable, natural, and intuitive touch experience with Hello X2.
From the first industrial revolution to the current technological revolution, the only way to discover what is possible is to go beyond the current limits. Introducing Hyperlaser, the fastest pocket-sized industrial engraver. With Hyperlaser, you are free to unleash your creativity anytime, anywhere, on any surface. Horizontal engraving, vertical engraving, inclined engraving at any angle, even cylindrical surface engraving will all be easy and perfect. The unique ultra-speed optical galvanometer scanner with up to 5,000 milliwatts of laser power provides ultimate precision over large engraving areas with excellent 4K resolution. Hyperlaser makes laser engraving easier than ever. In only 30 seconds, your high heels can be customized into a stylish limited edition. As fast as you snap your fingers, your own exclusive coffee coaster is created. And that's not all. Why not show off your creativity on your favorite mug? Precious memories deserve a special place in your heart. Use Hyperlaser to capture those moments that need to be cherished and saved inside your personally engraved wooden box. Let your style speak. Put your own logo on your beloved metal knives, or even create your own unique living space by engraving on the wall.
your safety always comes first. Hyperlaser has multiple built-in protections including posture detection and blocking detection. A foldable laser shield and goggles protect you from the laser while in use. Hyperlaser is lightweight and compact. It is your personal idea generator. Just put it into your backpack and you are ready to go. Empowering creativity. Hyperlaser.